Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to move taskbar in Windows 11. So at the beginning I have to inform you that by the default in Windows 11 you can't move taskbar, but you can only align icons in the taskbar. I will show you how to do this. Firstly, you have to right-click on the taskbar, go to the taskbar settings, and here on the bottom you will see the Taskbar Behaviors menu. Click on it, and in the first row you can choose between center and the left alignment of icons. But if you don't want to align icons in the taskbar but move the taskbar, you should go to the Registry Editor, because Windows 11 don't have by the default any applications or menus to change it. So before editing Registry, I must warn you that you should be concerned about what you are doing and what you are editing in the registry, because you can easily mess up whole your system. I hope I didn't scare you very much. Have to find Registry Editor. Go to Start and search for Registry Editor. Clicking Enter, and here is the path that you must go and find this folder StackRect3. Firstly, you should go to the ASCII current user, then to the software, to the Microsoft, then Windows, current version, Explorer, and finally StackRect3. And here in this folder we have our main variable settings. And also, before editing this folder and changing the registry, you should do a backup of this folder. You can do this by right-clicking on the folder and clicking function export. Here you can choose path for your backup. It will be backup taskbar, and here we have our backup. Now you can bravely edit registry. Double click on the settings, and here in the second row in the text column, right below the FE, we have numbers 0, 3. We should change them. To move the taskbar, backspace and typing 0, 1. This will move our taskbar to the top. Clicking OK. And now you should or restart your PC, or once again going to the Start and search for the Task Manager. Here in the Task Manager you should find Task Windows Explorer. Here it is. Restart. And don't be scary, there is only Windows Explorer. Restarting all other processes are fine. And now we have our taskbar on the top. I also should warn you that Windows 11 isn't designed to have taskbar on the top or on the left or on the right side. It is designed to have taskbar only on the bottom, so icons can be shown incorrectly. But you can see all the icons and the Start menu. I will not show you how to move your taskbar to the left or the right side, because I'm confident that taskbar will not be shown correctly, and there will be only empty taskbar without any icons, because Windows 11 isn't designed for it. To return our taskbar back to the bottom, we should once again go to the Registry Editor, double click on Settings, and type in back 03 right above the FE symbols. OK, and going to the Task Manager, once again, repeating the same operation, restarting Windows Explorer. Here we have restarted it, and we have our taskbar at the bottom again. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.